This, my friends, was a B.C.Rich Mockingbird. Actually, I believe the sticker on the back said Red M-Bird. It's 2003 or 2005, I think. I got it from a pawn shop. The neck pickup didn't work. I cut both body wings off, and the tree fell from a hurricane, a loblolly pine, a local pine tree in the yard. It was half dead. I let the things weather for a while, dry out a little bit. Cut these pieces, this and this, made it into like an explorer shape. Still a B.C.Rich. I set the neck in, made a round thing. It's funky as heck. But it was my first ever attempts to major modify a guitar. And here, I always hangs back there, so that's why it's all dusty. You got cobwebs and crap. I just oiled up the neck with some old English lemon oil type of thing. Let's see what it does. playing this kind of crap. Bye.